It's a new lineup on the palmbeaches.tv, the channel that brings the beauty, culture, and excitement of Palm Beach County to viewers anywhere. From pristine beaches to vibrant neighborhoods, we're showcasing the stories that make this destination unlike anywhere else. Through award-winning programs, insider interviews, and cinematic storytelling, the palmbeaches.tv inspires visitors and reminds locals why they're proud to call this place home. This isn't just television. It's a one-of-a-kind tourism asset that drives awareness, sparks travel, and showcases everything the county has to offer. Every episode highlights the experiences that set us apart: world-class dining, outdoor adventures, arts and culture, and the people who make it all unforgettable. Accessible anywhere, anytime, the palmbeaches.tv extends our reach far beyond the county line, building lasting connections with travelers across the globe. With new hosts, original programs, and untold stories, the palmbeaches.tv is evolving into an even stronger platform, celebrating Palm Beach County with energy and style. And we're just getting started. With every season, new content, and fresh perspectives, the palmbeaches.tv keeps raising the bar. Our stage to the world, showing Palm Beach County as it's meant to be seen.